Welcome to SuperCarWorldTV. I found two awesome Chevrolets, a Camaro and a Corvette. Stacy owns the Camaro, so I sent for Janine to talk to her and check that car out. And Max owns the Corvette. You gotta see this transmission. I had to check it out, and so should you. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Virginia with SuperCarWorldTV, and today we're at the Wanna Go Fast event. And typically, when I come to these events, they're all male racers. But today I had the pleasure of meeting Stacy, who brought her car here. Stacy, what type of car did you bring here? What year is it? Tell me a little bit about it.
Sure, so I haven't owned it very long. Had the 2019 Camaro ZL1 1LE now for about 6 months. Nothing really done to it. We have an exhaust and a drop-in filter. Had a couple passes. Right now we're at about 138, getting warmed up, see if we can have a couple more passes, see what we can get it up to. It's doing very well. Looking forward to getting a little bit faster times and see what we have in store.
So have you done any modifications to the car?
So right now we have an exhaust and a drop-in filter, nothing fancy. We will be putting a twin turbo kit on the vehicle shortly, working on some plans for that, just trying to get it a little bit faster.
And so what made you have this need for speed? What is it that you do, or why is it that you love it so much?
So I've been drag racing motorcycles for a while. We have a 2015 Kawasaki Supercharged H2. So this is needing to catch up a little bit more.
Yeah.
So we're gonna add a little bit more power to this one, see if we can go a little bit faster and get us going on the next event.
Sounds great. I look forward to seeing it.
Absolutely.
So it was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you out there.
See you out there.
Found another beautiful Corvette. Max is the owner, but there's a big difference between this Vette and probably all the rest of them.
Yeah, thanks for coming by, checking it out. I'm glad you saw something unique in this.
Yes.
So we are Xineering. We make the gearbox controls. We're an engineering firm that works in a ton of different industries, but our claim to fame is gearbox controllers. With our controller, you can run any ECU, and it interrupts the sparks. You can do watt shifting, and on a downshift, it does a throttle blip rev match.
So the car was a 6-speed.
Correct.
And now it's an automatic?
Nope.
No?
It's still a manual.
Still a manual. So you only use, you're telling me just use the clutch for the first gear.
Yep. So the clutch is used for takeoff and when you're going into neutral or reverse. But everything after first is just pull and keep your foot planted, and our electronics takes care of the spark cut for watt shifting, and you just pull, 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 and push, push, push for downshift.
Okay, so you don't lose any, you never let off the gas?
No, it's constant accelerating.
Yeah, well that's one of the downsides of the stick shift is letting off the fuel. This car, you never have to do that. What other mods have you done to the car?
Well, it does have a couple other things. It's an all-effort build. It's heads, cam, twin disc clutch, full exhaust. So it makes 600 rear wheel, and it's won the all-motor class here at the Wanna Go Fast half-mile a few years now.
What'd you run?
164.
164?
Yeah.
So what do you think you're gonna do today?
I'm hoping at least 164. I would love to hit a new personal best. We're gonna be trying out some new software in the gearbox controller. It's gonna be called Torque Recovery.
Okay.
It's gonna feather the torque back in between gears. It's something we've been working on. I'm really excited to test it out.
Can you show us the shifter?
Yeah, for sure. So right now we're sitting here in reverse and pull for neutral, just like a motorcycle.
Right.
And then up first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And then push for downshift, fifth, fourth, third, second, first. When you get to first, there's a lockout. You can't go past it unless you pull this lever. You you go back into neutral, you pull this lever again, you go into reverse.
So if someone wanted the transmission, they just mail it to you?
So we would get them in touch with one of our preferred vendors
Okay.
for assembling the gearbox to pull all the synchros out of
Yep.
theirs and put in the new dog ring gear set. But what we manufacture is our electronics for the gearbox controller.
Okay.
And that's what Gearbox Controls by Xineering is.
Anyone, any more information, where do they need to go?
You go to Xineering.com or hit us up on Instagram and Facebook at Xineering.
All right. Well, Max, thank you so much. It's,
Awesome,
I
man.
can't wait to see it run, and
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
maybe you get a little couple more miles an hour, get a little backwind.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling that.
Thank you.
Nice, man.
The Lamborghini, I think, took it easy on that run at only 143 miles an hour.
Next time on Supercar World TV, James talks to the owner of not one but two half-mile monsters. Meet Ricky of Platinum Automotive Center and his McLaren 720S and Lamborghini Huracan. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more supercar videos.